Hi, I'm Bankruptcy Attorney Robert Peters, and we're here to talk about personal bankruptcies today. And there's really two major kinds that you would be interested in. One is a Chapter 7, one is a Chapter 13. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you as the debtor get to eliminate all your unsecured debt that you have accumulated. And that includes credit card debt, medical bills, anything that is not tied to an asset, old collections that are on your credit report. Most of those things can be eliminated. Some of the things that cannot be eliminated are student loans, sometimes IRS taxes cannot be eliminated. But the Chapter 7 really is for the person who doesn't have a home that they're behind on that they need to keep. It's for a person with unsecured debt that has just really been a burden, and allows them to have a fresh start because you get to wipe it all out and you get to start all over. You can only do it every 8 years. And also in a Chapter 7, your secured debts, which are a house or a car loan, those assets you can keep if you continue to make the payments. It's very simple. If you're not paying on your car or your house, Chapter 7 is not going to help you keep them. So you just have to stay current there. The other thing about Chapter 7 bankruptcy is you're not supposed to have any assets. The state or the bankruptcy system allows you to keep a limited number of assets, up to $5,000 worth of assets when you file. But anything above that, for instance, if you owned a boat that was worth $15,000, you would have to either give that boat to the trustee or you would have to buy it back. So the idea with the Chapter 7 is you have a lot of debts, but you don't have a lot of assets. That's kind of the trade-off. You get rid of your unsecured debts, but you can't have a lot of assets. And most people, that's not a problem. Most people that are filing Chapter 7s really don't, when it comes down to it, they definitely have less than $5,000 worth of property. Procedurally, the way it works is you see a bankruptcy lawyer, they get you signed up, they file you with the bankruptcy court electronically. 30 days later, you have a meeting of creditors. 60 days later, you're eligible to be discharged, and then another 30 days after that, your case is closed. So the whole process really only takes about 4 months. So you are in and out of that process quickly if you're filed correctly, if you're honest with the court, if you do things the right way up front. You can be in and out in 4 months with very little trouble, and it allows you to have, wipe the slate clean and start over, which is what a lot of people need. If you need some help in the Jacksonville, Florida area, you can call our office at 421-6907. If you need help in the Amelia Island area, you can reach our office there at 491-1083.